Welcome back to 52 Weeks of Fun. This is Jen, reminding you that we aren't just destination finders, but destination storytellers. Find all of our stories at 52weeksoffun.net. Today, we share foodie fun in the heart of downtown Ashland, Oregon. Visitors with a sweet tooth will find themselves drawn to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Located along East Main Street, near the theaters, galleries, and cafes that make Ashland famous, this classy candy shop fills the air with the unmistakable aroma of chocolate, caramel, and fresh fudge. Inside, glass cases sparkle with handcrafted treats ranging from chocolate truffles and caramel apples to peanut butter cups, fudge, toffee, chocolate-covered pretzels, and oversized, mountain-sized chocolates that have become a signature of the brand. The company quickly became known for creating rich gourmet candies in unusually large proportions, a tradition that still defines the brand today. The Ashland location continues that tradition with rows of glossy caramel apples dipped in chocolate and decorated with nuts, candies, cookies, and drizzles. The shop also carries gift boxes, seasonal candies, cocoa mixes, and ice cream treats, making it a popular stop for travelers exploring Southern Oregon. For many visitors to Ashland, a stop at Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory has become part of the downtown experience. Whether someone is picking up a caramel apple after a Shakespeare performance or browsing for handmade chocolates during a road trip through Southern Oregon, the shop delivers the nostalgic feeling of an old-fashioned candy store with a Rocky Mountain twist. If you enjoyed this attraction story, please click that like button and share it with all of your friends. Remember to subscribe or follow us to see the newest attraction stories within all of our 52 fun activities. To get stories quicker, download the 52 Weeks of Fun mobile app, available in both the Apple Store and Google Play.